Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, and that is where this red line up here is coming from. I don't know. I didn't check the headlines today, so I guess shame on me. I don't really need to check the headlines, but something bearish must have happened because Bitcoin sure did turn around in quite a bit of a hurry. Yesterday, literally 24 hours ago, I was sitting here talking about, whether or not this was, a true break, whether or not, this was going to be some sort of, where the bulls bracing for another area of, just kind of a new leg up. But the power of charts, that area once again did pretty much act as not quite a mirror image, but very similar in the sense that you can see back here in the history of the chart, the price actually got up above that 11,600 area for temporary before pulling back. And once more here, again here, did temporarily get above that area before, really starting to roll back over. So, I'm not going to say the entire chart's ruined because that's not the case at all. When you look here at essentially ever since this crazy move that happened back here in early February, and then you look at where the bases are. So let's just kind of quickly go over that. I mean, you have a low right there, you have a low right there, you have a low right there. So you get the point. Over time, these lows, are still getting higher and higher. But as far as kind of, this little section right here, there's no doubt about it. The bears have shown up here a little bit. So now it's just a matter of kind of, how far is this pullback going to go? And, you got to give the bears some credit. And when I say credit, what do I mean by that? Well, they actually had enough power to not only push down through that purple line, which for those of you that have been watching my past videos, you've heard me talk time and time again, that's that key level of support. And that's just a key level of support within charting in general, the famous 50-period moving average. So not only did the price break below that level, but the price has actually continued to push and separate to the downside from there. So as far as next potential areas of support go, in the event this pullback continues, the next key level to keep an eye on going to be down here at right around the 10,000. We'll call it 10,100, give or take. I mean, we're talking about 10,000. So, I mean, give or take 100 or so, but right around that area, you can see that was a previous consolidation period. And then after that, the next level to keep an eye on would be that pink line right there, the 200-period moving average. So crazy movement right now, pretty big pullback. Now just a matter of how far down is this pullback going to go? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.